I'm out in the countryside just northeast of Bangkok, and you can see on either side of me there's rice fields as far as the eye can see, and again on this side as far as the eye can see, a real typical Thai scene. But I have not come for the Bangkok countryside because I've been in Thailand so long, it's nothing special. I have come to see this. This is the most incredible wide body MX-5 you are ever going to meet. I mean, it is just completely and utterly insane and absolutely beautiful. And it is the work of MOZY, the guy standing over there, hiding behind that tree in a bit of shade, while I keep these guys out in the sunshine making this video. I have come to see MOZY's new creation. This is a new kit he is building, he's developed for the MX-5. And in fact, we've got a bank here in the rice field, so I'm just going to sit down here, try not to fall in, and just tell you about that, because I mean, what a cool absolute vista. The only problem is the sun is burning me, so I don't want to stay here too long. Anyway, this is the new brainchild of MOZY. Like I say, mentioned over there, a guy who is absolutely setting the world alight with his skill and his ability and his 3D printing work to build unique custom body kits for cars all around the world, showing that Thailand really has amazing skills and amazing ability with cars. Anyway, what I want to do is I want to have a quick look around this car. And I said to MOZY, as soon as this car is kind of ready to look at, let me come and have a look, because I want to show you the work that's gone into this. And once it's all painted and finished and wrapped, you don't get to see that as well. I wanted him to show me the kit on the car in the fitting stage, so you can see all the detail and all the work. And just look at the width there, it's unbelievable. And the detail is amazing. These really offset wheels look fantastic. They work absolutely perfectly. We've got a giant ducktail here that just totally goes with it. And I love that back end. So I'm just going to stand slightly back, let you see that. So what we're going to do is we're going to head back to his workshop, because it is crazy the sunshine here. And then I'm just going to walk you around this kit. So we're back at MOZY's garage, and the first thing I will say is I made a few notes. I broke down the kit, and it comes in 14 pieces, and the front and the rear over fenders are all 80mm extra wide. So each corner has that much width, and you really get a feel. I mean, this is where it is now. Stock is probably about there. Let's kick into this. So we'll start off here. It retains the original bonnet, but you can see it's got two air exits that have been molded into it. And this is what I really like showing you now. You can see the work that has gone on and the work that is needed. The original pop-up lights are retained. And next we've got this neat feature here with an air exit as well coming up here next to the lights. I like that feature as well. And you can see here as well, the side lights and indicator unit is incorporated into it. But there's a lot of detail. You can see how this front curves out here, where it comes down, and the slam panel. You can see the front curving out. Apologize, I've got a big dog here as well. Then it sweeps around here, and we've got an air intake there. The whole mouth is open, and you can see the cooler there. And it's got detail piece and insert in here. And you can see the width here. That must be about, I guess, 12 centimeters. That is wide. It comes right out. Then we've got the splitter, and we've got another lip going underneath. So a lot of aero work here. We've got 1, 2, 3 horizontal planes. And I really like the way it curves up into this. This curves around as well. And then we go around to the side, and the splitter flips right up to here, and then we've got a dive plate that is integrated into it. You can see the dive plate is sliced out and it is slipped into it. So you've got 3 planes going on here, which is nicely detailed, and then it comes up here and it curves out. And I kind of like this, the way it is recessed in here, and you see the tire gives a real kind of racing feel to it. Then we come round, and as I've said already, this is 80mm wider. It's a big width, and we can see here how it comes out with the air exit, and it all curves and integrates really well. And then on the lower part, we've got the skirt, and we've got this part that flips up, these kind of barge board style. So the air that comes out of here, it is funneled through there like you would on a race car. In fact, I can stick my hand right through there, and you get a feel for it. They've got a really wide skirt, which has got a lot of profiling going on, and that comes up here to join the rear wing. at this line below the door. And then again, the rear wing comes up and out. And also, again, we've kind of got this open thing where the air comes onto here and gives a real racing feel. Then we get round to the rear, and you can see this car is running really low. The fender comes into the rear bumper, and then we've got a diffuser on the back. But we'll start at the top here because we've got a custom boot lid, and it got this massive ducktail. And that is definitely one of the key features of this car, this big ducktail. And I apologize now, we're getting a bit of shadow because the light is out there, but I need to get out the sunlight. And you can see this fender, how it actually works into the rear panel. It's got a big exit coming out here, and then you can see it's profiled around the rear light. So the stock rear light has been kept, and the stock rear panel as well, but it's detailed the way it comes around. Then the bumper has got another exit coming out here. So we've got kind of two parallel exits, one on top of each other. It gives a nice feel to it, and the bumper feels very strong. I like that as well. I mean, again, we just got to talk about this ducktail from every angle because that looks huge and amazing, and it works really well. Then on the bottom, we got the diffuser, and it's a very typical underfloor aero type thing. And like a race car, it is detached from the bumper. So we've got this big gap here, and then we've got the center section here, and you can see the fins on the diffuser individually mounted onto it. So also, you're going to be actually adjust your fins if you want to take that off and put a deeper fin or more aggressive underfloor aero onto it. But these are actually nicely done. They curve around, and that diffuser looks really good. And I really like the way they have separated from the bodywork like a race car. So you're really getting the feel. And I think, to be honest, when you've got a kit that's quality, you want all the details thought out. You want that proper feel. And this bit, I really like the way it's been done. That's very, very neatly done. Again, we just look at it a little bit from this angle. We can see those air exits coming out here. And you can see as well the way the diffuser comes round and then it flips out here to give an aero effect. And here, actually, we didn't really see it on the other side so well, but we can see the angle here, the way the bumper comes. And it really is pronounced, the concave curve. That's really, really nice. And you can see the tie here. And again, very, very racing feel to it. And then I just also want to mention the wheels, because Mozzy was telling me these wheels have been custom made. So we also sell these wheels as well. And they seem to work really well on the car. And he's running on 245, 45, 17-inch. Look great. Kind of sets the car off. I mean, maybe not everyone wants these wheels, depending on how you're going to finish the car, but it's another option for you. And we can see the cap here as well. And it is actually recessed by about, I guess, 2/3 of a centimetre, sitting down there. Very, very neatly done. And all that width, we can really get a feel because we've got a stock NB here, a Roadster, stripped down, and this is ready to have a body kit done. So Mozzy is not only selling them around the world, he's actually fitting them for customers right here. So finally, big thanks to Mozzy for letting me see this car half finished, because to be honest, a lot of people, they don't want to let you see the car when they're developing it, but Mozzy, he's doing quality right the way through. So he's happy to show me his process and what goes on. This is the first kit, and I believe he's already got 20 orders for this worldwide. That one there, the yellow one, is the second one he's going to do. So you can buy them here for shipping worldwide, like in this box ready to go that we're going to have a look at in a minute to finish. Or you can bring your car into Mozzy and he will fit the kit for you. And this one, this NB looks so different to that car. So this is actually the demo car, kit number 0. Now Mozzy is going to show me the actual kit box and ready. This is actually kit number 11. In the past couple of months, he has already sent out 10, and this is the 11th one. Everything wrapped up. This is ready to go. So that's it for this video. As I always say when I get to this point, thanks for watching. You got this far. I appreciate it. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and for more car content like this, please hit the subscribe button. I'll be bringing you this when it's completely finished, all painted, all polished, car show ready. Definitely I'll come for a look around. Big thanks for Mozzy. Let me come around, let me look at it when it's in this condition, because a lot of people, they don't really want to show you their car when it's being done, when it's being polished up, when everything's being fitted and adjusted. But Mozzy, he does quality, so he doesn't care. He's happy to show you his car, happy to show you his processes. Anyway, that's it. See you next time.